Hello everyone. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create an instant airdrop on Streamflow. Instant airdrop allows projects to distribute tokens to multiple recipients instantly with a low cost. Once you're logged into the Streamflow application, navigate to the left sidebar and click on airdrops. Once the page loads, click Create New in the top right corner. Now you'll have to choose the type of airdrop you want to create. Select Instant Airdrop and click Continue. In the recipient step, you'll need to provide the list of wallets that will receive the tokens. Streamflow allows you to upload a CSV file to add up to 100,000 recipients at once. Make sure your file follows the required format, recipient address, amount. You can also download a CSV template directly from the interface to ensure your data is formatted correctly. Once your file is ready, upload your CSV and click Continue to proceed. In the configuration step, you'll set up the specific details and preferences for your distribution. First, give your airdrop a title. Please keep in mind that this title is public and will be visible to recipients. Next, from the drop-down menu, choose the token you wish to distribute. In the distribution section, you'll see a summary of your uploaded CSV, including the total number of recipients and the total amount of tokens to be distributed. Below that, set the start date. You can choose to have the unlock period begin immediately upon contract creation or schedule it for a future date. Finally, set your preferences. Cancelable airdrop allows you, as the creator, to cancel the airdrop at any point in time until the start date and return all the tokens back if necessary. After the start date, you can claw back the tokens, which only returns back the unclaimed tokens from the airdrop. After configuring all settings, click Continue. On the review page, you'll be able to see all the contract details you selected in the previous steps. Once you've reviewed all the details, click Create Airdrop in the bottom right corner. Your wallet will open and prompt you to confirm the transaction. After confirming, you'll be taken to the airdrop details page. From there, you can monitor the airdrop status, track how many recipients have claimed their tokens, or share the link with your community so they can start claiming. You can also open a specific user's allocation and see more details about it. And that's it on how you can create an instant airdrop on Streamflow. Thanks for watching the video, and see you in the next one.